And who is that holding the flowers?
Flowers.
Who's this?
Baby.
The baby.
Pizza.
Pizza. Look, she has this also. Remember, you have this? You roll for the bread, and this is what? Hat. You have like that too, right? This is the bowl. See? Look at that. It's the same one. The one you have at home. At Mama's house.
That's what I had.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I made.
It's now the cookies.
Cookies.
No, this is pizza. What's this, baby?
Butter.
Butter. Looks butter nga naman eh. No, it's cheese.
Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Butter.
okay.
She thought it was butter.
What piece?
No, we cannot open this anymore. Just this one. Ano nangyari na? Awi na ang pek-pek na ayan.
This mine.
Yeah, what is this?
Mine.
How do you call it?
Mine.
Gloves.
Up.
This is towel. Okay. There.
Pizza.
So, Emma and Grandma are eating
Pizza.
pizza. Oh. Oh. Here, where are baby's feet? Where are baby's feet?
Feet.
Hiding behind the cat. Where
Orange.
are baby's hands? Under the bubbles.
He broke it. My cheese. Open. Open. Baby.
The baby. Where are the baby's toys?
Baby. Toys.
What's this? What's this?
Sisters. My sisters.
My sisters.
Doggy.
This is your sister's toys?
Yes.
Yeah. Who is that doggy?
Doggy.
What's her name?
House. The house.
Oh, doggy is in the house. What's the name of the doggy?
Bushes.
Booze.
Hi, Bushes. Hi. Hi. Okay, Bushes. Hi. Hi, Bushes. Hi, Bushes. Hi, Bushes.
What is this? What is this?
Open.
Bruiser's what?
Home.
Home. Ayun nga. This one here, baby. Ito, oh. This is the one. There. Where is baby's belly button? Where is baby's belly button? There. The baby is drinking
Milk.
milk. Look at the baby.